Good morning, everybody, my dear children. How are you all? How did you enjoy the Diwali? Did you all enjoy it well? How are your parents? Did you enjoy the holidays? Okay, children. After Diwali, we are going to learn again English. Today is Tuesday. Tuesday, you have to learn English. The same lesson we are going to continue. Okay, this is for Tamil Nadu board for standard 1, A1 and A2 section. For which class you are going to learn? For standard 1, A1 and A2 section. Have you all bought the books, children? Those who did not buy, you can go to school and buy it quickly. Today we are going to learn the same lesson. Lesson number 2, My Journey. Topic is My Journey. Lesson number 2, topic is My Journey. In this lesson, what we studied about how to travel from one place to another place. Okay? How to travel from one place to another place. And second point is what are the means of transport. And the third point is about rhyme. We studied a rhyme. Row, row, row a boat. And fourth point is a dream about a joyful trip. And next and all exercises. These, those and all we learnt. Okay, children? And today also we are going to learn all the exercises from lesson number 2. Before learning, let us close our eyes and pray. All be attentive. Close your eyes and we are going to talk to God. Close your eyes and be attentive. Gracious and ever-loving Father in heaven, thank Thee for a new day that Thou hast added in our life. Thank Thee for the care and protection. Thank Thee for the food, shelter, and clothing. Thank Thee for the good water. Thank Thee for all the blessings. Dear Jesus, especially we pray for in these days you are carrying us a lot. Thank Thee for the good breath in our nostrils. Dear Jesus, each and every second you are loving us. You are carrying us, dear Jesus. Today we are going to learn our lesson, English subject. Give us more knowledge and wisdom to learn our lessons well and to come up in our life. Dear Jesus, bless our parents, teachers, elders, and youngsters. We ask in Jesus' name. Amen. Okay. Shall we start? Take out your second term book, that is English book. Second term book, English book. English and Tamil we will have the uh, poem in the front page. Okay, row 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 a boat, that is the front page of the book. Take out your book, page number 96. We have completed up to page number 95. Now page number 96. In page number 96, we are going to read and we are going to do one exercise. Okay, page number 96. Shall we start? Okay, we'll start. I'm going to read now. Let us practice. Let us practice. Read aloud. We have to read loudly. Okay, read aloud. Ship sails. Whales swim. Children walk. Trains whistles. Car rush. Children cheer. Okay, now you repeat after me. Okay, ship sails. Whales swims. Children walk. Trains whistles. Car rush. Children cheer. Once again, okay? Ship sails. Trains whistles. Whales swim. Cars rush. Children walk and children cheer. Okay? Ships in the sea, it will sail and go. Okay? Train, it whistles. Next one, whales. You know what is whales? We can see in the deep sea. Whales na timingalam. It's a kind of mammal. It's a mammal only, but we'll say that is a fish. Okay? Whales swim. திமிங்கலம் என்ன பண்ணும்? தண்ணியில் நீச்சல் அடிக்கும். Cars rush on the road. You can see the car. It will run like anything, no, in the bypass road and all. It will run like anything. It will rush. அப்படியே பறந்துக்கிட்டு போகும்னு சொல்லுவாங்களா, that is called a rush. Next one, children walk. Children cheer. Children means you are all children. You should walk and go. நடந்து போகணும். Then children cheer. Cheer means what? You'll be happy. எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து ஒன்றா சிரிப்பீங்களே, that is cheer. Okay. Shall we read it once again? Ship sail. Whales swim. Children walk. Trains whistle. Cars rush. Children cheer. Okay. Next. Circle the correct word for the picture. One has been done for you. Circle the correct word for the picture. One has been done for you. Okay. See the first one. What is the picture given there? It is a chick. 3 answers are given. Chick, doll and ball. It is given. And it is circled. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. The word chick is circled. Okay. Like that you must do it. See the second picture. What is the picture? Shoe is given there. You have to circle the word shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. 3 answers are given there. Shoes, book, mat. It is given. You have to circle S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Come to number 3. What picture is given? Whistle is given there. 3 answers are given. Whistle, lorry, train. You must circle the word whistle. W-H-I-S-T-L-E, whistle. Number 4. What is the picture? Torch. What is the spelling for the torch? T-O-R-C-H, torch. Circle the word torch. T-O-R-C-H, torch. Number 5. The picture is fish. What is the spelling for fish? F-I-S-H, fish. Circle the word fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Number 6. Wheat. What is the spelling for wheat? W-H-E-A-T, wheat. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. Circle the word wheat. Okay, come down. Let us do word wall. Okay, you must spell and read each word. If you are in the class, we can do this project, but you are not in the class, so we are going to read only. Okay, spell the word and learn. Spell the word and learn. C-H-I-N, chin. C-H-A-I-N, chain. W-H-I-P, whip. C-H-I-K, chick. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. S-H-O-E, shoe. W-H-A-L-E, whale. S-H-I-P, ship. W-H-I-T, white. S-H-I-R-T, shirt. W-H-E-A-T, wheat. S-H-O-P, shop. Okay. You must spell each word and learn it. Now go to page number 97. Page number 97. Let us learn we are safe. How we should be safe. Okay. Now in this period you're all staying at home and you're keeping yourself safe now. Like that, how we should be safe. See the first picture. We don't play on the road. But see the picture. One boy is playing ball in the road, on the road. Okay. One girl is playing, skipping on the road. And one girl is standing there and a car is coming. These children are playing on the road. We should not play on the road. Okay. We have to go and play in the ground. So we should not play on the road. Next one. See the next picture. We walk on the platform. What is the platform? White color and black color stripe is given there, no? That is called platform. Okay. We have to walk on the platform. But these girls are walking in the road. Center of the road they are walking. We should not walk in the center. We have to walk in the platform only. Okay. We walk on the platform. See the next picture. That picture is called a platform. Okay. Blue color and white color lines, stripes is given there, no? That is platform. We have to walk on the platform. While walking on the platform, we have to hold our hands. When your mother is taking you to school or to the market or anywhere else, you have to catch your mother's hand or holds your mother hand, and you have to cross the road. That is also in the zebra crossing only. Okay. Can you understand? The stripe line is called zebra crossing. The stripe lines means what? One color is shaded with black, one is in white. It is shaded in white. That is called zebra crossing. You have to cross the road at the zebra crossing holding your mother's hand. Okay. Next picture. Sorry, next page. Page number 98. Page number 98. We wait for the train to pass. Look at that picture. Get the picture in the rail. In the train is running. And here the cars and all standing this side and that side. Okay. When the train is crossing, you have to stand and wait for your turn. Okay. When the train passes, then the thing will get over and you have to cross the road and go. You have to wait for your turn. When the train is passing, you have to wait for it. Okay, see the next one. We stand in a line to board the bus. Bus is standing and all the children are standing in the line, and one by one they are getting in the bus. Okay, board means getting inside the bus. We stand in the line to board the bus. When you get in the bus, you have to stand in the line one by one. You have to get inside the bus. But many people, they will run like anything, and they will get inside to get the seat to sit. But that is not the good method. You have to stand in the line and get in the bus. We stand in the line to board the bus. Okay, next one. We look right and left before crossing the road. We look right and left before crossing the road. While crossing also, you have to look right side as well as left side. When the vehicles are not coming from that side, you have to cross the road. When the road is clear, you have to see both the sides, and then only you should cross the road. Can you understand, children? These are the method to keep yourself safe while crossing the road or while walking on the road. Can you understand? Shall we go to the next one? Next page is page number 99. Exercise. Page number 99. Exercise. Let us follow. Put a tick next to the correct picture. See, two autos are given there. In one auto, many children are sitting. In one auto, two children are sitting. Which is the correct one? Two children are sitting in the auto, no? That is the correct one. Put a tick there. Okay? Overloading is not good. Okay? While driving, we should not keep many person in an auto and ride it. It's not safe. So, two children are sitting in the auto is safe. You tick there. Next one. Two bike. One is a big family with two children. One is husband and wife. Okay? You stick the two person. That is safe way of traveling in the road. Traveling on the road. Next one. Tick yes or no. Tick yes or no. I'll read it. I will walk on the platform. I will walk on the platform. Yes, you have to walk on the platform. Okay, put a tick there in the yes. Y-E-S, yes. Second, I will wait for my turn. When you get in the bus or when you get in the train, you have to wait for your turn. Okay, that is also the correct statement. You have to tick it in yes. Y-E-S, yes. And the next one is I will board a moving train. When the train is running, you have to get in the train. No, you should not get in the train when it moves. I will board a moving train. Moving train means what? When the train is running, you have to get in. It's given like that. No, it is wrong statement. So you have to tick it in no, N-O, no. When the train is standing only, you have to get in the train. The train is running or moving, you should not get inside it. Can you understand? Okay, we'll go to the next one, word wall. This one also a project only, but we cannot do it now. Just you spell the word and learn. Helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Aeroplane, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Bicycle, B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. Auto, A-U-T-O, auto. Bike, B-I-K-E, bike. Bullock cart, B-U-L-L-O-C-K, C-A-R-T, bullock cart. T-R-A-I-N, train. B-O-A-T, boat. B-U-S, bus. Scooter, S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. S-H-I-P, ship. L-O-R-R-Y, lorry. Okay. Each and every word you must spell and learn. Next one is think zone. I have wings. I can fly. I am not a bird. Who am I? A thing has a wing. It can fly, but it is not a bird. Who is that? It is an aeroplane. Aeroplane has wings. It can fly, but it is not a bird. It is an aeroplane. Okay, next one. I carry lot of people. You find me in sea. Who am I? This thing will carry lot of people, okay? But it will sail in seas. Who am I? It is nothing but a ship. It is a ship, okay? Okay, next go to the next page. Page number 100. 100. 100. 100. Complete the puzzle. Complete the puzzle. With the help of your parents or with the help of your auntie or uncle or brother or sister, you do this one, okay? Or I will click this page and send for you. Okay, the same page, Roman number 2. Take the correct answer. Okay, these and those. The things which is near us, you have to say these. The things which is far away from us, you have to say those. Look at the picture. Car is near. Ships and bicycles are very far. Okay, so you must read like this. These are cars. Those are ships. Those are bicycles. Okay, you put a circle. These, T-H-E-S-E, these are cars. Those, Those are ships. Those are bicycles. Okay. We'll go to next page, page number 101. 101. 101. Match the following. Car. Car. Tell me. Sail, fly, ride and drive it is given. Car. What you must say? Drive. Drive a car. Second one, bicycle. Ride a bicycle. Ship, sails, aeroplane, fly. Okay, you match it. Car, drive. D-R-I-V-E, drive. Bicycle, ride. R-I-D-E, ride. Ship, sail. S-A-I-L, sail. Aeroplane, fly. F-L-Y, fly. Next one is reading. Read aloud. A ship, a shore, a ship on the shore. A ship, a shore, a ship on the shore. A ship means கப்பல். Shore. Shoreனா தெரியுமில்ல உங்களுக்கு? Seashore. Okay. Where is the ship is standing? A ship on the shore. A ship on the shore. Ship on the shore நிக்குது. Can you understand? A ship, a shore, a ship on the shore. Next one, a chick, a chair, a chick on the chair. A chick, small hen. A chair, you know what is chair, with has 4 legs, okay? A chick on the chair. A small chick is on the chair. A chick, a chair, a chick on the chair. Next one, a whip, a whistle, a whip on the whistle. A whip, a whistle, a whip on the whistle. Whip means ஊதுறது. Whistle தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு, whistle. அந்த whistle வாயில் வச்சுட்டு அது ஒரு ஊதுவம்ல, அதுதான் a whip on the whistle. A whip, a whistle, a whip on the whistle. Shall we read it once again? You repeat after me. A ship, a shore, a ship on the shore. A chick, a chair, a chick on the chair. A whip, a whistle, a whip on the whistle. Okay, next one. Recite the poem Row, Row, Row a Boat. Okay, last week I taught you one poem, no, Row, Row, Row a Boat. That poem you have to recite or repeat or learn. Okay, row, row, row a boat. You know, no? Come on, tell me. Row, row, row a boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Ride, ride, ride your bike slowly down the street. Safely, 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 safely pedal with your feet. Fly, fly, fly your plane straight into the sky. Merrily, 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 zooming up so high. Like that you must learn. Okay, next one. Find the vehicles hidden in the picture and circle their names. Find the vehicle hidden in the picture and circle their names. Okay. See, the words are given. Bus, car, rabbit, bike, van and aeroplane. Okay. What are the vehicles and what is the animal hidden inside it? Look at the picture first. Rabbit is there, aeroplane is there, car is there, a bus is there and van is there. Okay, you have to circle the word bus, car, rabbit, van and aeroplane. But bike is not given there. Is the bike is there? No, the bike is not there in the picture. So you should not circle the word bike. Other words and all you can circle it. B-U-S, bus, C-A-R, car, rabbit, van and aeroplane. You can circle it. If you want, you can color each and every picture. You have to color with different color pencil and lightly you have to color it. Okay. Go to the next page. Page number 102. page number 102. See the apples there, learning activity. Follow traffic rules. Traffic rules means while walking on the road, you have to walk on the platform. When you cross the road, you must cross the road in the zebra crossing. You should not play on the road. Okay, these are the traffic rules. Next one, read sight words. The words which is given in the rectangle shape or in the van or car, you have to read the words, spell and read the words. Next, recite song. Row, row, row your boat. Now I taught you know that song you have to repeat. Next one, name the vehicles. What are the vehicles you know you have to name it. Aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, bus, train, auto, car, lorry, van, bike. What are the vehicles you know you have to say. Next one. Say the sound. Say the sound. CH, SH and WH. Chair, shoe, whistle. Okay. Here it is given in your lesson number 2. The words are given already. We have studied in our last class. Okay. See in page number 95 it is given. Chair, cherry, bench and torch. Shirt, shoe, sharp and shark. Wheel, wheat, whale, whistle. All these words you have to read it. That is and all CH, SH and WH sounds. Okay. Next one. Identify the modes of transport. You have to identify. You know the train. You have seen it. Okay. The bus you know, car you know, auto you know, bike you know. You have to identify. Look at it and you must say, this is train, this is bus, this is car, like that. Next, use these are and those are. These are pencils. These are rubbers. These are scales. Those are books. Those are benches. Okay, like that you must identify and learn. Okay, now lesson number 2 is also over. Second term book English subject is over till page number 1 or 2. The last page we have studied now. Okay, so second term and English is over. You have to learn and write and see. Okay, within 1 or 2 weeks we will get the half yearly examination, so prepare well children. This time I won't give you extra notes and all. What is given in the book you have to write it. Okay, shall we end by this one children? Shall we end by this one? Okay, bye bye children. See you in the next class. Bye.